I just caught up to the latest episode, episode 10. I think. Episode 10. Yes. Have you caught up?
No.
No.
I
Well,
don't watch.
this episode we get introduced to a new mental character for the crew to train.
Well, I thought the crew's dead, bro.
Because the crew, the main guy, the Benji and Power survive.
Oh, yeah, spoilers,
They're
bro.
fun like that. Wait, you think they're gonna die and that show ends?
Yeah, bro. Doesn't mean the show ends. They can continue with other characters.
It's literally called
And that would be
Chainsaw Man.
shit.
Who's Denji's gonna be there?
Benji.
Yeah. But, yeah.
Good.
But so there's a big tragedy and all, and they have to recover from it.
What a
Like
tragedy.
a good shonen arc.
So sad.
The training arc. Yeah, it was
I'm
it's cool.
I'm sorry. Go ahead.
That's how it is.
Slay.
I don't mean to take the. Yeah. Go ahead.
All right.
It's on you. You're watching a clip from an episode of the Unholy Trinity podcast.
Available on Spotify or Apple Podcasts.
Not Apple Music.